But tonight I brought my friend, and he's got a burning fire that will purify and cleanse. Or you can make amends with the sin and red the fence. You can light the fire like the burning incense. You can wear the wings and swing the crimson sword and soar through heavenly wars all in one accord. Or you can keep the demons bubbling up. Or take the kingdom God is promising up. Or take the force of war and all it brings, and I promise my king to take you under my wing.
Yo, I'm called to fall upon the back of this man who's blessing an open mic session. He's battling an unsaved soul, praise eyes, glaze, flesh, raises empty heart space, hidden prison walls from the gates of hell, swell like waves of an ocean. His verses rip demons with explosions. My protection of a section's a weapon as we step into the holy of holies. Suppose we admit defeat. Yo, it's not an option since I'm gone. Hear me keep strong rocking.
Golden wings bring peace to the village, won't die. Polish my trophy case, sparkle dot, shine. Sky contrast, cloud burst, contract. Third station, come back. Contract, gone artistic, mystic, betrayal. Behave, free slaves, rust chains with rain from thy father trickle down below. Halo glow, sun rays make green glow. Reap sow, seeds planted, forest enchanted, protecting your mind with God-given enhancements.
I take flight at night, use my infrared eyesight in search of a place to perch until I find my next flight. I scan the land to see who needs a hand. I go wherever I am needed on God's command. I stand at attention, I know no apprehension. I am quick to make an entrance whenever warfare is mentioned, fighting off the foes of those that oppose the one who rose. I serve as guardian to the chosen. When I spot my next rescue, it's as if time is frozen. I swoop down real quick like demons scheming, slick like Rick Mike. Little do they know that they're in for